So we have the Redmi Note 7, and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot with this device. Now there are millions of applications in the Play Store and probably hundreds if not thousands of applications that will let you take screenshots. Some of these apps have extra features like you can draw on the screenshots, which is pretty useful. But most of the time, whenever you want to take a screenshot, you just want to show what's on the screen. So instead of downloading a third-party application from the Play Store, I wanted to show you how you can take a screenshot without downloading anything. It doesn't matter what application you're in. It can be on the home screen. It can be in the settings. All you have to do is press and hold the power and volume down buttons at the same time. And as you can see, it puts a little preview in the top right corner, and it shows us the screenshot that we have. Now you can even do a scrolling screenshot. If you have like a long page, or like the settings application is a long scroll, whenever you preview that image up at the top, you'll see that scroll button. Just tap on scroll, and it's going to capture the entire page as a screenshot. And then we can save that. Once we view it in a gallery, we can pinch to zoom so we can actually see what the content is. It's very, very small now because it's so long. But I just wanted to show you a quick way of how to capture a screenshot on the Redmi Note 7 without having to download third-party applications.